Look, if you're looking for an affordable move-in ready home just north of Bemidji, our brand new listing is going to check that box for you. We are at 14420 Pillsbury Lane Southeast. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has a lot of nice updating throughout, and I'm super excited to show you around. I don't want to waste any more time, but be sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out just a little bit more information on this property. But first, I think we got to take a tour. And there you have it. This can be yours for just $169,900. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to me at 218-308-1230. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.